Good day, everyone. I am Dr. Erwin Martinez Falier, a professor in San Pedro College Pharmacy Department and also the Director of Internationalization and Linkages in SPC. For today, we're going to discuss about the orientation on pharmaceutical marketing and entrepreneurship. This is in collaboration with San Pedro College Pharmacy Department and COIL program of the University of Hawaii at Hilo in United States of America. The pharmaceutical marketing and entrepreneurship deals with the concepts, theories, and principles of marketing as a product, price, promotion, and place of distribution, combined with the learning about entrepreneurship. It includes application through case study, problem-based learning, and business planning and marketing strategy and the elements of display. This particular course actually looks into the different weeks with team teaching with different lecturers. Here are the following details. So on week number 1 on June 29, since it is a holiday, that will be moved on this week on a certain day. That to be on orientation about what is all about the pharmaceutical marketing and entrepreneurship, the orientation of students and the possible topic this week. It can be asynchronous or through video conferencing, and some of the pre-tests will be via Quipper. And also, we will going to discuss in the first topic on pharmaceutical marketing, the marketing system, markets, and the product. This will involve about pharmaceutical marketing system in the Philippines, the traditional and non-traditional markets, and also with the quantitative and the qualitative aspects, the size, the composition of the market, and lastly, on the demographic description and socio-psychological characteristic of the consumer available in the market. So this will be via Zoom, through video conferencing, and also dealing with asynchronous or pre-recorded in terms of the lectures. That would be on Tuesday. We're going to have another topic brought to you by University of Hawaii at Hilo on the COIL program. So what is all about the COIL program? COIL stands for Collaborative Online International Learning. So I'm going to have a summary first or the pre-test of the video conferencing that we have on 9:30, we're going to have an orientation about the COIL or Collaborative Online International Learning by Mr. Kelly and also Mr. Marcos, and some of the Develop Pacific impact. The main objective of this orientation is to orient the students about the COIL and the opportunities for learning that via on Zoom. So on the 10 o'clock, we're going to have unit on the marketing management process in the drug industry, the marketing management process, the market opportunities, the target market, the marketing mix, marketing efforts, and of course, the marketing segmentation and analysis and forecasting. So that will be discussed by Sir Marcus. On 11 o'clock, we're going to have our breakout groups on the different session by Kelly, Marcus, Dr. June, yours truly, Julian, and of course, Dean May, and of course, Dr. June. So that will be at 11 o'clock. So better read your topics or cases based on the assigned topics to you. So on July 1, Wednesday, that will be for the pre-test, so you need to be ready of the quiz. And of course, 9:30, we're going to have another topic which is relevant on the marketing process on the motivation and prescribing habits of physicians, the patient's choice of physician and retail pharmacists, and the role of the market research. So the main objective of that would be on the classification and motivation and prescribing habits of the physician, the role market research. So that will be discussed in 9:30. Now moving on, we're going to have the last activity for that week. That will be 10:30 to 11:30 on student interaction and engagement. So you're going to discuss about your particular task on the pharmacy business. You're going to formulate a title or a research title, and then you're going to present it in a group that will be discussed to you by the facilitators. And then you're going to discuss it in the group. So I think that would be a very good discussion for all of us and engagement for all of you in terms of pharmaceutical marketing and entrepreneurship. Now, this particular course, at the end of this course, the student will be able to, number one, identify the pharmaceutical industry and the pharmaceutical market system, and to distinguish the differences between marketing and entrepreneurship, understand marketing theories, and be able to implement accordingly, and to identify the target market and be able to implement it accordingly. So that are some of the major objectives of this particular class. So you're going to be assessed accordingly. That to be for the pre-test, and of course that to be at the beginning of the day at 9 o'clock, and then, of course, at the end of the activity, you're going to be assessed through what we call as post-test. Now, this should be included also in your final examination coverage. That would be 30% of your whole total grades. So attendance is a must actually for this online course. So I think you have already discussed about the protocols then, or the guidelines in terms of joining with the Zoom, and of course some of the etiquettes when we are into video conferencing or synchronous learning. So I think that's all for the orientation of our pharmaceutical marketing and entrepreneurship. I hope to see you all this week with our guests from University of Hawaii at Hilo, United States. Thank you very much.